Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative micro campers of 2025. A sleek, three-wheeled camper that's changing the game for minimalist adventurers. This is not your typical RV. It's compact, aerodynamic, and designed for the modern nomad. Say hello to the 2025 three-heel Campra solar-powered three-wheeled camper pod that's part teardrop trailer, part electric scooter, and 100% futuristic. At first glance, the camper's rounded, almost egg-like shell gives off retro vibes. But don't be fooled. The aerodynamic shape reduces drag, and that vibrant dual-tone paint job? It's a head-turner on any trail. Up top, a roof-mounted solar panel powers the interior lights and small appliances. The three-wheel setup combines stability with lightweight mobility, making this camper towable by electric vehicles or even motorcycles. Step inside, and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious micro-living space. Wood accents, warm LED, lighting, and clever storage make this camper feel more like a tiny studio than a trailer. The kitchenette is stocked with essentials: a single-burner stove, a mini fridge, sink, and compact storage cabinets. There's space for a small bed and enough room to sit comfortably and enjoy a meal or work remotely. What makes this camper especially unique is its sustainability. Thanks to its solar panel, energy-efficient lighting, and minimalist footprint, it's perfect for eco-conscious travelers. And get this! The front wheel assembly hints at potential self-propulsion or easy docking with an e-bike or modular scooter system. So, is this futuristic camper for you? Let's break it down. Ultra-portable design, solar-powered, energy stylish, and cozy interior perfect for solo or minimalist travelers. Limited space for more than one person. Not ideal for long-term off-grid living. Price tag might be steep for what it offers, whether you're a weekend warrior or a digital nomad looking for freedom on three wheels. The 2025 Campra bold step toward the future of micro-camping. Like what you see? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech-savvy outdoor gear reviews. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.